Government of Kenya undertakes to all persons within the borders of our country that it will respect, uphold, promote, and fulfill the inalienable constitutional right of every person peaceably and unarmed to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to authorities. According to Article 24, 1D of the Constitution, this right, as all other rights, is limited by, among other things, the need to ensure that the enjoyment of this right does not prejudice the rights and freedoms of others. It follows, therefore, that those exercising the Article 37 right to assemble, to demonstrate, to picket, and to present petitions to public authorities peaceably and unarmed must do so under the following constitutional and legal parameters. 1, they must remain peaceful and unarmed throughout the assembly, the demonstration, the picketing, and the presentation of any petitions to authorities. 2, they must engage in a manner that does not promote violence or riots, because the right in Article 37 is the right to demonstrate. It is not the right to riot. Number 3, they must not breach public order. Number 4, they must not intimidate, harass, or otherwise inconvenience members of the public who are not protesting.